Hey, thank you so much for showing back up to hang out on my channel with me, working on the MX-5. So I told you we were gonna install lower control arms on the car. It turned into a quick project because of delayed time to get out and do some drifting. So I've got most of the arms installed on the car. I've got the uppers and this lower, and we've got this last one to install. And gonna get it on the car, get it squared up to match the stock lower to start, and then we're gonna finish up the alignment and work our way out to the track. The purpose of us installing these aftermarket control arms on the car is to stand the tire as straight up as possible, actually a little bit in the positive direction, a half a degree. If we were road racing the car, these arms would definitely assist us with creating some good camber to predict the corners and turning, upwards of -3 degrees and such. But for us, we want to maximize contact patch and surface area of the tire, and then also with the extreme adjustment of these arms, we are actually putting the suspension in a bind for our anti-squat. So we got the changes made to the rear of the car. We stood the wheel up actually a positive half a degree, and then we've got a millimeter of toe in on this side, and it's matching on the other side, just toe in and half a degree up. Gonna clean this mess up and make our way out to the racetrack. You ready, Primo? You ready?
I think that one's done.
First set of tires consumed. Use most all of it. We're gonna go put this set on right here and go try it out again. Same tires, just brand new. So we went through 2 sets of tires with the car, and I'd say the difference in tire wear is pretty even. Almost got 2 full sets, but these Bridgestones just start to come apart. It was this tire and this tire together, and this one totally just let go and started chunking out of the center and didn't last that long. But yeah, I'd have to say the new control arms on the car are working really well. If you want more content like this from me and my cars, just like and subscribe to the channel. If you've created any questions, just feel to ask in the comments below. Thank you so much.